We all know that curiosity is the leading killer of cats. I suppose that's what happens when you have 9 lives. 9 lives? Can you believe that? You don't even get that many lives in some video games. Them crazy cats jump off of windowsills and fly through the air in these eye-popping, gravity-defying triple backflips. They play with electrical outlets like they're on death row. They boldly taunt us dogs just out of reach. Oh, I especially hate that. And if you think all that's bad, just wait till they get their paws on a bit of catnip. You ask me, they're just begging to be made an example of. Quite frankly, though, I might be a little reckless myself if I had 9 lives. The point is, they're not thinking about risk, only reward. Big dogs, on the other paw, play it smart. They manage risk first, and then they think about the reward. You won't see them performing dangerous stunts with their money. Manage the risk first, and then worry about the reward. We'll bark more about this later. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!